Hey everyone, let's start the tutorial on how you can speed ramp your videos. So open the app and go to files. There you can see the new and then click on project, or you can also click on command and N for using shortcut. And now you have to give the project a name. I'm going to give it speed ramp for now, and you can name it whatever you want and leave everything as default. So this is your workspace where you will be working on your videos and editing them. Now you can go to file and then import and then media. You can also use drag and drop, but I like using this. Now you can click on individual videos and import them one by one. Now click the first video that you want to include in your entire sequence. For me, this is this one. Now just click on the project and then just drag and drop them in the sequence that you want them to be. Once you have included all the videos, now you can start finally working on them. Just click on B and you will see an blade appear on your screen. Now you can cut the video and change and adjust the speed of each individual clips. For example, let me just, I have now used the blade and cut the entire video into clips. As you can see, I'm using the start and the end of each video for speed ramp because there will be a flow in it. I'm going to do this to all of the videos. So we have finally completed this. Now we can change the speed of the video of the individual clips. For the first, I am going to make it a little bit slow for the starting, and you can also adjust the speed by dragging the above orange selection mark. A pro tip for editing this kind of video is that you need to have flow between all of the videos. Like for example, take the kid riding the bicycle. You need to have the clip of another similar type of motion happening in the next video so that it doesn't look absurd. So now I'm changing the speed of each individual clips. The starting of the clip I have slowed it down, and the ending of the clip I am fastening up. The same will go for the next video clip. Now I'm again selecting this clip and increasing the speed. Now as you can see, we have to wait a bit for rendering. Now as you can see that there is not uniformity in the clips. As you can see, we are fastening up and there is a cut and we are not feeling the connection. Well, you need to keep the audience engaged if you want them to see your videos, right? So I think I'm going to use some transitions to make it more interesting. For example, I'm going to use this zoom in out transition and put it in between the clips so that when the speed is ramping up, we are having something in between to show to the audience, and they are not feeling left out or disoriented from that. Let's see how this looks. Well, it looks much better than the last time, right? So I'm going to do the same and put up transitions in between every individual videos where I'm speeding it up and slowing it down. So I'm going to speed it up, speed this up. You can select any duration of the clip for speeding it up or slowing it down. Now as you can see that there is a bit of excess of clip between the videos and I'm going to use the blade tool to cut it down and then delete them. Because honestly, if the videos are too long and there isn't just much information to get, then the audience will lose their interest in them. Now just click on delete on your Mac and the videos will get deleted. Now let's come to the next part. As you can see that we have created the ramping effect, but there isn't much uniformity in them. You see there is a deep cut and we can't really just connect. So I'm going to use transitions in between all of them so that there is a uniformity. You can select any transition. I'm just selecting the one I like. So now we have put up transitions in between all of the clips and you can see that it's much better than what we had in the beginning, right? And let's slow down the in-between clips so that we are having that, zoom in, zoom out effects of the video. I'm slowing it up into 50% and you can use 25 or 10 or whatever you like depending upon the frames that you have. If you don't have just enough frames, then it will just look very distorted. Now I have slowed it down and speeded up the clips. Now let's look at the final rendering of the video that we got. And let's see if that is up to our mark. We know that we have done quite a lot, but then again, we feel like something is missing. So over here, you can do some, I think I can do some vertigo effects so that it will keep the audience engaged. So let's put up some vertigo effects on, on some of the most boring slides in which there isn't just much information in them. Now finally, let's add in the audio. Now as you can see that the audio is too long and let's trim it. Yeah, so this is what our final rendering would look like. And if you have followed it up to this much, then you have the pretty much basic idea on how to do it. Now for saving it, click on this share icon and then master file. Now click on next. Oh my god, it's showing 211 MB, but you can adjust it by compressing the video. Now you can save it as any name you want. Let's save it as SpeedRamp 1 video on my desktop. And it's showing preparing for media to share. It will obviously take some time to export the video. And here you have it, the final rendering of the video. Now remember that in the original video I didn't add generator and titles, but in this video I have, and I decreased the size of the video.